Hi everybody, today we are going to do a part 2 on these JVC speakers. Now I'm sorry that I haven't done a video in a while. I was so busy, I did not have time to make a video or anything, so let's get started. I'm doing these JVC speakers, huh? No, I'm not hugging it, I'm trying to get the cover off. Doing this for entertainment. That's the reason why I done YouTube in the first place. Alright, I'll probably need one of these here. These little gadgets here, these little flathead screwdriver things anyway. Ooh, that was close. I almost poked the tweeter. But that's one. This one's a little bit easier to take off. Most of the clips are broken. Ta-da! There we go, we've got the one with the piezo thing on it. And the other with no piezo on it. We got these things out of the way, I know, they're funny looking. Alright, so let's begin taking, oh, and also you'll want to see the back. That's the back of it. Ooh, quite a bit of air coming out of that thing, but let's get to taking this out. This should be interesting. I've never seen the back of a speaker on one of these. Do you need a magnet or something to hold the screws so you don't lose them? Use this little speaker here, this little one. There we go. There we go. It holds it just like that. This is just a little Sony speaker. I pulled out. I blew the tweeter, but not on the video. Sorry. These are JVC speakers. I have got some other JVC speakers, but they're different. I got two white woofers, little mini tower ones. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that on camera. Oh! Look where my little thing went. You stay there on the magnet. 6-ohm JVC speakers. Now let's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we got that woofer out. That's actually a fairly decent woofer. This is a pretty good one. There we go. That is a pretty nice woofer. I'm not gonna blow it, sorry. I don't want to blow these. These are too good to lose. These are too good. They got 3 venting holes. I've seen that before on a JVC. Let's those out of the way. You notice I might end up taking the tweeters out too. Now, the truth about the tweeters, they do not work. I accidentally blown them and almost overpowered these things. With a capacitor on it too. Like literally like smoke just came out, like pouring out the ports at the back. Oh. Okay. This one's wired up a bit differently. Yes, guys, it's the holidays, so I can do more videos. Awesome. Whew. Now we might as well get the tweeters out since we're here. Might end up putting them in the video. Only the caps blue. What were you doing in there? Get out of here. Doesn't have a screw. Yo. Let's disconnect that. They're little JVC tweeters. Not too bad, but apart from being ripped up, that ain't good. My flow of them, I'll think about it. And if I ever do think about it and I do get to the point of blowing them up, I'll bring out my old trusty camera and film it for you guys. Yeah. Okay, there goes the piezo tweeter. The tweeter just went straight through. Where'd it go? Where on earth did it go? Oh, there it... Wait, what? That's probably a piezo tweeter, but with a little bit of glue on it. Ooh. That's gross. Where did the other one go on this? Oh, the other one's still okay in this. What? Oh, my hand on. Let's shape a little bit. Interesting, but we're not here for the piezo tweeters. We're here to take these apart, so Where's the other woofer gone? So we got 2 of these ones. Oh, this one completely torn down. We got a woofer, the tweeter, and the piezo out. Whew. The tweeter up exploded on me too. Now let's take out this paper tweeter out. Look at this. Look at that. The other wires are completely taken off. This tweeter. Completely taken off. Oh well. Let's find some more speakers to gut. To tear down. Have I got any more in here that I can tear down? Guys, hang on a minute, let me just... What are you doing back there? Get up there. I found a Panasonic sub with a bit of tape on it. Guys, just hold on a sec, I need to find some speakers. Speakers that need to speak. I found one here. Oh, I found another one. Nice. I'm not going to destroy these. I ain't destroying these completely. Another one. That's a Panasonic. This stuff is really, really getting on my nerves. It's getting on my nerves. Get out of here! Get out! Get out! Found another speaker here. Oh. Right, next up, we got the Panasonics. And that sucked when you had to redo it all over again, huh? These ones have no piezos in them. Good. 2 tweeters and a woofer. Woof, woof, woof. I'm just joking around. I will put the speaker models in the description below if you want to check them out. That was already done. None of them are blown. This one's in great condition. Bummer, it won't fit though. Never mind. So we'll put that to the side. If you want to have a look, this is what it looks like taken apart. And this is what it looks like being taken apart. Sorry guys, I got a song stuck in my head again. This one has a rather unique crossover unit inside, so you'll see once I get the woofer out. Also, I might need a flathead. And it's got a base filter on it. That'll prevent them from blowing. Tweeter number 2. Got that one. Its brother. And it's got its sister as well. Those can be saved on there. Let's take the main bass speaker out. Boom, boom, boom on the amplifier. That's actually a song. Don't worry, YouTube, I'm actually not copywriting anything. I'm not copywriting or anything, but yeah. If I ever hear my dad coming down here, I'm gonna flip. Right. I told him. I guess if I have to do a part 2 or something, because who cares, I'm not really that hungry for dinner anyway. Here we go. Oh, nice. Whoa. Far out. There's a rather lot of wires on here. Look how many wires there are on this thing. Look. Guys, screenshot how many wires there are on this thing. Screenshot that. Unbelievable. How can there be so many wires on this thing? Seriously. This is a rather unique speaker. So that and everything. Got the logo and everything like that. This is 4 vents. I got these from the wine shed, which is actually a second-hand store. So they sell second-hand stuff. Look how many screws I got on this thing too. Yeah. Especially about this video, we are not taking this one apart. I only took apart the JVCs and the one Panasonic. So I may do a speaker blowout on the other tweeters, but who knows. Subscribe for more, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Peace out.